What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be power washing my backyard concrete patio. So the first thing we're going to start off with is rinsing down all the surrounding areas we're going to work on so that everything's nice and damp. And the reason we do this is so that when we pre-treat and add the chemicals, the dwell time increases, the solution spreads more uniformly, and the organic growth breaks down more efficiently. And also it reduces the chances of etching or reactive chemical spots and lightening or discoloration from uneven absorption. So my patio is pretty dirty, and for this job we're going to be running a 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washing machine. At the moment that's all I had to work with, but I have now upgraded to a 4 gallon per minute machine, so the results should come out better. So right here I'm pre-treating the concrete with SH. This helps break down the mold and the algae before I start washing, so I can get it clean without using excessive pressure. So right here, I'm going to be hitting all the edges and corners that the surface cleaner wouldn't be able to hit because of its shape. So I'm going to be using the surface cleaner to finish up the pressure washing. So the reason I will be using the surface cleaner is because it hits a wider area than the wand would hit, making the process much faster and easier. after all that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse down everything to make sure all the dirt is taken off. And after rinsing everything down, that's when I will begin to post treat. And post treating is basically pre-treating just after everything is done. So stay tuned to see the results at the end. And here are the results you've been waiting for. Look at that. Looks way better than it was. Looks cleaner, newer. There is a couple spots I wasn't able to hit just because the pressure washing wasn't strong enough to remove it, and the chemicals I used weren't specified for those spots. But now that I've done more research, the next time I do it, it's going to come out better and will remove. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and book your appointments to get your driveways cleaned with H2OHYEAH.